We hated our van shower for the sheer fact that the shower curtain wanted to get in on the action. So we fixed that. Look at the amount of space that adds. It was a huge upgrade with just 4 simple magnets, a sewing machine or a needle and thread, and you too can create this kind of space in your shower. We use our bathroom for all bathroom things, so including showers. And with the shower curtain wanting to hug us and confine us in a smaller space, it wasn't working for me. So that meant using the back doors to our advantage. They're metal, so they're magnetized. So one of the things that we did, it's always a struggle, right? There we go. Okay. It's giving away my secrets. Okay, so now we're in the shower. So I wanted to use the space that we have available, and a genius idea popped into our heads. It was actually my mother who said, well, let me just sew little magnets into your shower curtain. And so that's what she did. And so instead of this space, I think you can see just how tight it's touching me all the way around. When she sewed the shower curtain magnets in, it creates about 6 inches of extra space. So this whole side added about 6 inches of space. So now when we're showering, our usable space in our shower has been huge, literally and figuratively. I've actually added 2 to the top and 2 to the bottom. You don't have to worry about it hugging us. So, okay, and here's the shower without me in it. So there are your 2 magnets, 1, 2 up at the top, and then 2 closer down to the bottom. So let's take some measurements. Your first magnet from your driver's side wall over is going to be 33 inches. It's going to be 16 inches down from the top of your shower curtain. So 16 inches down, 33 inches over. Between these 2 magnets is about a foot. So 12 inches between these 2 magnets, 16 inches down. From the top magnet to the bottom magnet, you're looking, and I'm measuring middle of the magnet to middle of the magnet, 29 inches from the top magnet to the bottom magnet. The reason I did it that far is because I don't want the bottom magnet to be so close. The original factory magnets of your shower curtain don't have any space to hang over your shower pan. So 33 inches over, 16 inches down, 12 inches between the 2. From the top layer of magnets to the middle layer of magnets is going to be 29 inches. So there's a look at the square that we're working with. Oop, it's magnetizing. So the square that's sewn on is just under, it's hard to measure, it's just under 2 inches. And then I believe that the magnet inside, yeah, is a 1-inch magnet. Let me show you the magnet. It's just a magnet. It goes right in the pocket. So this is the shower before, and this is me after. Huge use of space. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this.